mbaya sana. Uncle Sam,
lazima tutese.
Lazima tutese.
Para cheza na the icon.
Yeah, we just came back again. We are stripping off the, the tint. We want to put new ones. The ones that were here were very shoddy. I don't know if you can see here, it's very open. This one is dark. But we want to put all the windows, even that side. Hey, Niaje Jabzi, you good? Awesome. See, now it's already washed. After being washed, see the way they're very clean. So after this, now they put the tint. Let me show you more. See, the tint that we had already is out. This one. Hey, go. You have to put that spray so that when you touch it, it becomes so easy. See? Umeamua wewe ni DJ? Umeamua wewe ni DJ? To put also this side on the back, they already started removing, so they need to put it before the event. Yeah, this side too, they need to remove this one. They'll still say they are not removing, but they need to remove it. Yes, also this side, you see the DJ is enjoying Kenyan music inside there. Yeah. So here we still have a Juma. He was fixing some issues over here. As you can see, we are almost done. And yeah, there are also some light. He's supposed to set it up inside here. I think he did not connect it. Yeah, he's the one who did the buffing from this side all the way to the other side. Also this side. Well, there is a bit difference, but I don't know. It still looks okay. Yeah, still looks fine. No. It's time now to cut it. You see, you can't see even the other guy.
Kabisa mkuu. Carbon fiber.
Card.
Haya, tuko na fundi Jabzi anatengeza taya. Fundi Bunda alisalimia watu. Unatengeza nini fundi?
Naweka taya ingine.
Iko sawa. Shatengeza.
Mi wacha ni record dad. Na record dad.
Rudi huko. Kana nkokongo.
Na kurecord.
Sawa, iko sawa. Mimi nimetoka. Tunamaliza stress. As you can see, it's very clean now. The other side too, amazing. Let me show you. Let me show you. This side. So it has only remained finishing fully, but so far so good. I think try their best to see. So right now they are on the back one. They are really trying their best to remove the back one. It's bringing them issues. It's almost done though, as you can see. It's crazy. Now they're putting it. So the one that we had was this one. It was a bit clear. But now we have this other one. The one that is a bit darker. As you can see, this one is a bit darker than the other one. Yeah, so mudogo. The place we are at is Kangundo Road. Close to that shell. If you know that shell, you know where I am. If you park here, we want 1,000 Kenyan shillings just for parking here. Mama yake analetanga siasa, anakuanga na mileage. Asante. So yeah, they're almost done. I think maybe it's being put half. I don't know, maybe full. I think they're almost done. Yeah. You can see it's a bit dark inside here. It's crazy.